Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am in Las Vegas at the IBS Builders Show. I am featuring for you guys at the SBI product booth, and I have right here Osburn's brand new wood cook stove, which is the Gusto. Also, maybe if you're American, you call it a Gusto. So I'm going to give you guys some overall features on this model and tell you some of my favorite things about it. Number one, it's going to be pretty much one of the only stacked wood cook stoves that are EPA approved and tax credit qualified. There were some other Italian companies out there that have totally pulled out of the North American market. So if you're looking for a stacked model that's going to get you that tax credit, look no further than the EPA approved Gusto by Osburn. So let me give you some overall features of this stove. It is going to be a top vent 6-inch flue. It does have a solid cast iron top that is actually bolted onto the stove. So that's nice because if you're talking longevity, we all know that the cooktop takes quite a bit of heat and it is replaceable. Now on this particular model, because it is a stacked model, it's not going to take the same amount of heat temperature that you would get on like a side-by-side cook stove, but you still easily reach 450 degrees on this top, so it is possible to boil water. Now let's talk about some of the features on this particular stove. There's actually no gasketing inside this oven door, and that is going to be something that is fairly unique on a wood cook stove. Their reason for doing that is because this oven got so hot that if they gasketed it, it was just like 900 degrees in there. Inside the baking oven is going to be a full stainless steel lined. It does come with one baking rack, and you do have 2 levels standard that you can actually adjust this rack into. They are coming out with this beautiful cast iron enamel, like Dutch crock pot, Dutch oven pot that'll fit directly inside this oven. So if you guys love your Dutch oven cooking, this is another excellent option. This is also kind of different on the handles. There's no like lifting mechanism. It's just a simple push and pull. So let's talk about that down here on the Firebox and what that looks like. So you can't just pull it open because it's tight, right? Which is a good thing. We always want our Firebox airtight. If we pull this handle down, boom, the door just pops right open here. Osburn does an excellent job with their gaskets. I always talk about that. There's never, ever, ever been any fraying when I open up the doors. Their gaskets are tight, they're secure, and that's what gives you that nice long burn time. You do have ceramic glass in the front here, so it's going to handle that heat. You have the air wash up the front, so your glass is going to burn beautifully clean when you have that fire going. Right here, this model is shown with standard fire brick. That is going to change on the newer models, so I'll take y'all up close and show you what that looks like. This does also have that standard 3-inch ash plug right here. That's right in the front. So for your ashes, you scoop them to the front, boop, 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 pull them straight out here, okay? Never throw away your ashes. Check out videos on what to do with your ashes. There's so many kinds of uses for that. We do have this nice ash lip in the front. The newer models are also going to come with this really nice glass inset, boop, that goes right in here. It's going to seal off any ashes, and it'll also make it super easy for wipe up cleaning. Your pan is down here. We kind of discussed that. And then you have one damper control. So let's talk about that. A lot of wood cook stoves will have a separate oven control. This model does not, which also makes it really easy to use because we're dealing with one single control. So when you're facing the front of the stove, if it's pushed all the way to the left-hand side, that's going to be wide open. Slid all the way to the right-hand side is going to be fully shut down. And so again, this here is how you'll control your oven. And then also, of course, with how much wood you're loading into the Firebox itself. If you're noticing your oven is getting excessively hot, you may need to lower the amount of logs that you're putting in for your actual baking. Here's what the upgraded Firebox is actually going to look like. And these models with this type of refractory will be shipping approximately by May of 2025. So probably by the time you're seeing the video, that's what it's going to be like. So this is going to be a solid bottom piece. You have 2 side pieces and then 2 rear pieces. So it'll be 4 total refractories to replace this. A few other options that this particular model has is, you can see here, this has a nice stainless steel trim. This is actually going to be optional. The model will come standard with black, and if you want this nickel trim, then you're going to add that in. Now, on the rear of the stove, you do have a nice port for outside air. The blower option, which can be added into this model as well. Now that's pretty cool, because a lot of the wood cook stoves can't be sold with the blower because they're not heating stoves because of EPA requirements. Because this model's EPA approved, we can have that nice room blower. So if you have the room blower, that heat's gonna come right out straight through here, through these convection holes. And I mean, that thing cranks out the heat, like for real. If you were to light up a lighter right here, it would actually probably blow your flame when you have that convection blower. So those are going to be the overall options. That is my product overview for you guys on the Osburn Gusto. If you guys like these videos, if they're helpful, informational, and educational, don't forget to give us that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.